Hey everybody, Chris Young here. Who wants to go RV camping, wants to take their toys along, and wants to see a solid variety of toy hauler options in both travel trailer and fifth wheel form? You've come to the right video, my friend. Today, I'm going to run you through the lineup of Heartland fuels. Heartland makes more toy haulers than any other manufacturer in the RV realm. And with fuel, they've done a fantastic job of combining form with functionality. Let's talk about the floor plans. Of the 7 total fuel floor plans, 4 of them are travel trailer toy haulers. So I'm going to save the bigger fifth wheels for last. So let's hit the travel trailers first. From a length perspective, the fuel travel trailer toy haulers run from 27.5 feet all the way up to nearly 37 feet. In terms of dry weight, you'll see them hitting the scales from 6,700 pounds up to nearly 8,800 pounds. As these are toy haulers, cargo carrying capacity is a key number. With the fuel travel trailers, you'll be able to load up from nearly 4,000 pounds up to almost 4,500 pounds. For sleeping, you'll find that you can comfortably sleep 6 to 7 tired campers depending on the model. So first up is the Fuel 250. In the 250, you're going to find an open floor plan without the slide out, but with an impressive garage space of just over 13 feet, leading up to a counter and entertainment center. The kitchen is a straight line design, located across from a single swivel rocker. In the garage space, you'll find a power queen bed with opposing flip fold sofas. Up front is something you'll find in every fuel travel trailer toy hauler, a walk-through bathroom with private access from the master bedroom with its walk-around king-size bed via a solid door. In the case of the Fuel 250, the private access comes via a pocket door. Number 2 out of the 4 of the fuel travel trailer toy haulers is the all-new Fuel 265. The 265 has 13 feet of garage space and a slide out. The slide pulls out the kitchen appliances and sits across from 2 excellent swivel chairs. Naturally, it has the walk-around king bed and all the sleeping areas in the garage. Next up, we have the Fuel 287. Longer, the 287 sports an open garage space of just over 16 feet and has the Power Queen flip fold sofa combo. The main living area has a large slide out, pulling out a sofa, a yard of kitchen counter, and the range plus a fridge. The kitchen is capped off with a large L-shaped counter. Across from the sofa, there are a pair of swivel chairs in their own shared side table. Up front, you'll find the bathroom with the private pocket door access to the bedroom and with a neo-angle shower. The final fuel travel trailer floor plan is the Fuel 305. The 305 also has an impressive 16 feet of garage space. This space contains the Power Queen flip fold sofa combo, but also has an exterior entry directly into the garage. The 305 sports swivel chairs, but pushes the large living area slide out more towards the front. In this slide out, the sofa and the entire kitchen with range, fridge, and L-shaped counter. This creates a nice hallway between the kitchen and the bathroom. A bathroom that's been moved to the entry side, but still has the private access to the master bedroom. Only this access is via a solid swing door. The master bedroom also has a private entry from the exterior. So the travel trailer's done, let's move on to the 4 Heartland Fuel fifth wheel toy haulers. These have a length running from just under 39 feet all the way up to 42 feet. Regarding unloaded weight, they'll tiptoe in at just over 12,800 pounds to a smidge over 14,200 pounds. Carrying a ton of toys with a cargo capacity of 2,750 pounds up to just over 4,100 pounds. The fifth wheels sleep from 7 to 8 depending on the model. Aside from the obvious towing difference, what separates the fifth wheels from the travel trailers in the fuel line is the garage. Every fuel fifth wheel garage is enclosed to enable complete separation from the garage to the living area, and every garage space in a fuel fifth wheel is 13 feet deep. 13 feet is plenty of space to bring an ATV, golf cart, or other toys. All fifth wheel toy haulers have access to the garage from the living area via a solid door with a smoky glass insert. First up is the Fuel 335. The 335's garage has the Power Queen bed over a pair of flip fold sofas, plus a twin bed overhead loft in its front. Also, this garage has an exterior entrance. In the living area, you'll find a large slide out containing a large 4-cushion sofa with a pair of tables. This sits across from the wide L-shaped kitchen with a double-door fridge. The main entrance lies between the kitchen counter and the entertainment center. Up front, a walk-around queen bed comes off the front cap, and the bedroom has private access to the walk-through bathroom via a pocket door. The bedroom also has an impressively large wardrobe slide. The second fifth wheel toy hauler is a newer one, the Fuel 352. The 352 has the same layout in the garage area as the 335, only the 352 adds a half bath with direct access from the garage. For the living area, the Fuel 352 has opposing slides that not only dramatically expand the space, but allow for an oversized kitchen counter/island coming off an angled wall holding a large TV. One slide contains a large sofa with a table, and across from it sits a slide filled with the fridge and range. Up front, the layout with its walk-through bathroom and wardrobe slide is virtually identical to the 335. The final Fuel fifth wheel floor plan is also pretty new. The Fuel 362 gives you 42 feet of toy hauler. You'll find the 13-foot garage with the typical bed seating setup, private exterior entry, plus a twin loft. Under the loft, you'll find a half bath. The garage is separated from the living area by a solid door. In the living area, you'll find an extremely large slide on the off-camp side, pulling out a large sofa, pantry, and the fridge. The living area's entry point for the outside falls between the large U-shaped kitchen and a big table with a permanent bench. The U-shaped kitchen sports a ton of counter space, as well as the deep double bowl sink and range. Up front, you'll find the same bathroom-bedroom layout as the Fuel 352. So, with all the Fuel floor plans covered, let's roll right into checking out some of the Fuel's fine features that will delight even the most experienced RVer. Inside, Fuels have a ton of remarkable amenities to make your camp life super easy. In the kitchen, you'll find solid surface countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a large stainless steel kitchen sink with a residential style faucet. From an entertainment standpoint, you'll get an LED TV, cable TV and satellite prepped, plus DMI, USB, AM/FM stereo. For your personal comfort, you'll get a 15,000 BTU AC on a fifth wheel, travel trailer optional, plus forced air heat on all Fuels via the heated enclosed underbelly. As we move to the exterior, you'll find you can enjoy the outdoors longer and boondock with large freshwater tanks. Travel trailers have a 98-gallon tank, and the fifth wheels sport a 100-gallon tank. Adding to the ability to boondock is the 30-gallon fuel station, standard on every fifth wheel. Fuels also understand you need to get quick to camp. Every Fuel fifth wheel comes with power landing gear. Every Fuel also comes with a power awning with LED lighting. We can't forget the generators. Fifth wheels have that 5,500 watt Onan generator, and travel trailers have a package that include a 4,000 watt Onan generator. So whether you've been RVing for the long haul or are just starting out, the Heartland Fuel toy haulers give you the ability to take what you want to take on your planned adventures and do it in complete camp comfort. I am sure that you'll find a Fuel that'll get you all gassed up to take your family and your toys out camping.